Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Hyundai Elantra car battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and safety glasses. Ensure your car is completely off and the parking brake is engaged to prevent any accidental movement. Next, locate your car battery, typically found under the hood, and clearly identify both the positive and negative terminals. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. It's crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any electrical shorts. Use your wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal, then carefully remove the cable. Following that, disconnect the positive terminal using the same careful procedure. Finally, remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps that are securing the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely and is properly aligned. Now, reconnect the positive terminal first, tightening the nut firmly. Then, reconnect the negative terminal, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Before you're done, perform a few final checks. Secure the battery with its hold-down clamp to prevent any movement while driving. Apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals for extended battery life and better conductivity. Start your car to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a certified recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.